Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm quite a bit late for my monthly updates, and that's because I was just burning my money, busy burning my money. I bought an expensive ass bicycle recently and I was just too excited about it, riding it around. I didn't even look at my portfolio or do anything related to investments lately, just because, as a retail investor, you should be able to live your life and not be bothered about the regular changes in your portfolio and stuff. So that's there. And yeah, I didn't bother to make a video as well. So anyways, here I am, and let's look at, I just wanted to quickly cover my buys and sells for last month. So yeah, that's the basic theme of this video. So the first thing, let's cover the sells, because that's just one stock, which is AEM Holdings. So I have already created a video why I wanted to sell AEM Holdings, and I said that I will be selling it at a price slightly higher than my buy-in. So my average cost for AEM was $3.71, and I sold out of the entire position at $3.73. So that gave me a cash of about $8,000 and another $2,000 in CPF, and I used this money to buy more stuff. So yeah, the first thing that I bought is Krbn Global Krbn ETF, ticker symbol KRBN. This is a ETF that is tracking the carbon ETF, carbon credit pricing. I will actually do a in-depth video on why I got into this ETF and what is all the carbon credit and all these things about. But basically it's just that the major polluters in the world, like the oil and gas industry and the cement industry, all those things, are getting pressure to reduce their emissions. So the Paris Agreement and all those things, where they have to halve their emissions by certain year and stuff. So all these countries, the major economies, America, some states in America, Europe, and China, they're all involved, and they are trying to price carbon in a way that if these particular emitters exceed their quota of emissions, whatever they said every year, they have to pay a certain price for it. They have to buy these credits in order to pollute. So this ETF will track the price of these credits, and as the thing increases, or basically I will just make another video. I don't want to go very much in depth. Anyways, I bought about 60 units of this ETF at an average price of $35 US dollars, and yeah, that's it. The second thing I bought is Baidu. Baidu also have made the video already why I bought it and my investment thesis into it. I will link it down in the description below, so you guys can go out and check it if you want to. I bought 200 shares of that last month at average price of $187. Yeah, so I'm quite bullish on Baidu for multiple reasons, as I've already covered in the in-depth analysis video. So yeah, I will be buying more into it. And then the other thing, yeah, Ping An Insurance. So Ping An has been lately going down pretty bad, and they are actually quite low, like at the moment. So I pulled the trigger. Obviously I didn't have that much money to invest into it, so I did it through my dad's account, and I bought another 500 shares of it. Basically I will buy this back from him as soon as I have money, because I really wanted to buy, but just that I didn't have the money, right? And I bought it like recently, so last week, and my cost for that lot of share was $74.60. Yeah, plus trading fees. I have not actually put that into my Excel sheet, so I don't know what was the trading fee, but I will figure it out soon. So yeah, somewhere there. Okay, so that's all for the buys and sell. And other than that, two of my companies, China Water Affairs Group and BNS International Holdings, also reported their earnings for last month. And yeah, for China Water Affairs, they were pretty good. They increased their revenue by 20%, which is literally growth territory, right? I've been saying China Water Affairs Group is a growth company. Like, it's I know it's working in like a utility side, and it's a boring area with slow growth and all those things, but China Water Affairs Group literally is a growth company. It's growing by 20% every year, which says it for all. But the stock price didn't see any change. Rather, it's down a bit from I think the year start of the year. So yeah, but anyways, that is attributed to the earnings. The earnings didn't grow so much because they had a slight write down from their investments, and then also they invested money into something related to the wastewater management company that they've been investing into. I didn't look very much in depth. I didn't get the time to see the earnings and read everything, but the earnings was the net profit were not following the growth of the revenue, and I think it only grew by around 5% the revenue, but it's still growing anyways. And it was just a one-off thing without, like, the gap earnings is double digit again. So yeah, the company is really really solid, and again they didn't increase their dividend, but then again it's still more than 5% for me, so perfectly fine. And also, yeah, if you guys want me to cover China Water Affairs Group's earnings, just let me know in the comments below. If not, I just feel like this is a boring company and nobody's interested in it, so I won't be like making a video of it. But anyways, I hope that you guys invest into this company, because, or at least look into this company, because it's really really solid, and I believe in it very very much. Secondly, BNS International Holdings, they also reported their earnings. BNS International Holding, if you have not seen my other videos, they are a bubble tea franchise company. Like, they run bubble tea stores in Hong Kong, and they also have a distribution business for candies and all this stuff. So yeah, for them, obviously it was a pretty bad year. 2020, they were like, COVID restrictions and stuff, so the sales were extremely down. Nevertheless, BNS International Holdings was profitable last year, which is a good thing to see. I mean, any company, any F&B company that is profitable last year is a good company, with good management. Like, they are able to cut down their cost and everything. So yeah, BNS International was profitable last year. However, the stock price actually dropped quite a bit since like it's down about 10% from last month price. So yeah, nevertheless, it's fine with me. I was hoping that if it crosses $1, $1.20, I will sell it, but it didn't. It reached up to $1.34. No, $1.13. Sorry, and I was just waiting for it to go to 120, but didn't happen. Anyways, we are sticking to it, and I will hold it. I'm pretty sure the revenue is gonna. The business is gonna come back after the COVID thing is over. Their number of stores they had has increased, so everything is going good. It's just the external things, right? The pandemic thing that is hampering the stock price. So yeah, whatever. Anyways, before the next earnings, if this thing hits $101.20, I will sell it anyways. Right, so that's it. That's the update for my portfolio, and other things I just read in a way just because of what is happening with the DD, the entire shit that is going on out there, and I think that deserves a separate video of my thoughts into what is happening. So I will be making that right after this. Yeah, that's it. So until the next video, ciao.